Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So if you want to see how I slayed the F out of this frontal, then keep watching this video. So pretty much we are doing the stocking cap method. So I'm taking my got to be glue freeze blast spray, and I'm just spraying that all over my hairline only. And I'm taking my blow dryer and I'm just going to blow dry that until it is dry. So once that is dry, I'm going to go ahead and cut this cap. So I'm cutting it as close to the hairline as possible, but not too close to where I'm cutting my edges off. Now I do have a plucking video up on my channel if you guys want to see how I pluck my frontals and laces and stuff like that. So go check that video out. It's in the description box. So once I get done cutting the laces, it's my beautiful wig. This is the same wig, Youth Beauty hair, but I went in and I plucked it some more because I wanted a more natural hairline. So I went in and plucked it some more, and I took it off, and I'm pretty much redoing the whole install. So right here I'm just trying it on to see if I need to cut some more of that cap off. So once it's perfected, I'm just going to apply my makeup all over the cap. Well, not all over the cap, but in certain areas of the cap. Pretty much where the lace is going to lay, that's where I am applying the makeup, the foundation. So the glue that I am using is the Ghost Bond glue. I'm going to use all this glue until I run out, and then I want to start using the bold hold. But until this glue goes out, then we just going to use this glue. And I went in and applied 2 layers of that and let it dry clear. Now you see me putting foundation on the lace. And as you can see, the glue is dried, so I'm going to apply my wig. So I'm just cutting some extra lace off that needs to be cut. And I know it looks crazy right now, y'all, but look, trust the process, watch the whole video. I feel like I've gotten so much better when it comes to doing frontals on myself. Like, I must say, this is like the best install I've done on myself. It came out so freaking bomb. Like, I'm so proud of myself. Practice really do makes perfect. So right here, I just want to show y'all how it looks before I comb out the edges, because it was molded down the night before. I went in and molded down the hair with some mousse. So right here, I'm just combing it out because you want a more natural hairline and you don't want it to be hard and crusty. So that is what I am doing. So now that that is done, I'm going to put this up in a ponytail, beat my face, tie my edges down, and yeah. Face is done, face is beat. So now I am going to style this hair. I'm taking some Bio Silk and I'm just going to apply that all over the hair and on my edges. And I wanted to do curls, but I didn't feel like curling. So I'm going to be flat ironing my hair bone straight. And I do have a video up on how I get my hair silky and straight. So yeah, pretty much the same thing. And right here, I just went in and combed my edges a little bit more to give it a more natural look. It looks so good. Yes, swoop-de-doop. Alright, so I'm taking my hot comb and I'm going to use that to lay that top part down before I go in and flat iron it, because that part needs to be as flat as possible. I like my bone straight looks to be super flat and sleek. So that is what I'm doing with the hot comb. Then once I am done with, ooh girl, look at those edges. Once I'm done with that, I'm going in with my flat iron. Now I wish, this is not the best flat iron in the world. This is like a Revlon. This is a really old flat iron, so it's not the best flat iron in the world, but it does the job when needed. So yeah. So by now, I hope you guys have already subscribed to my channel and liked the video. Definitely leave a comment down below what you guys think. Thumbs this video up. Let's get this video to 100 likes. Can y'all do that for me, please? Let's get this video to 100 likes. And yeah, this is pretty much the completed look. Super sleek flat iron. And I just love how this install came out. Like, this time I really took my time, and you know, I'm just proud of how this looks. Like, this looks bomb as fuck. Like, super cute, super natural looking. I will have a makeup tutorial also coming up on this I can't even get it out, on this super natural looking makeup look with a neutral color, a neutral eye. So stay tuned for that video. Yeah, so let's get this video to 100 likes. You guys leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you are new, and if you are already a subscriber, then thank you for tuning in another video with me, and I will see you all in my next video.